Hi, my name's Niall McCart from Retrospective Scooters. This is our electric conversion kit for classic wide mount Vespas from 1953 to 1962. The kit consists of a hub motor in a swinging arm, which is attached to the chassis through the old anchor points of the engine bolt and suspension bolt. All our kits contain a control box. Here on the wide mounts, it's kept in underneath the petrol tank in the hatch. Here on the side is our battery. This is a 64 volt battery. They can carry two on board. All our kits use a throttle cable that's attached to the throttle sensor. Kits are started by key fob and all have LED lights. All kits have a safety switch in the clutch which activates cutoff.